Good morning. My name is Matt Warzen. I'm the owner and manager of the Chicago law firm Warzen LLC. This is a series entitled The Anatomy of a U.S. Litigation that we'll be presenting over the next 8 weeks. At Monday morning at 9 a.m. Chicago time, we'll post installments. This first one will simply be an overview of the series. The concept of this series is that the complex litigation matters that we handle at Warzen LLC are unique in many ways, but they all follow the same basic pattern, which we've broken down into seven steps. And I can explain with an example two different cases that we've handled and are currently handling. We currently represent a Wisconsin company that lent money to a company based down here in Chicago. Our client was not being paid and had to bring a lawsuit here in Chicago based on a promissory note. Now, that case involves perhaps one document, and that's it, maybe no witnesses. Now, we're also defending a life sciences company in some litigation that its chief competitor brought against it in San Diego. That case involves patent claims claiming certain DNA amplification techniques. That case involves literally millions of pages of documents and numerous witnesses. So those two cases, they couldn't be more different, but they're all going to follow these 7 steps. First, each side, the plaintiff and the defendant, is going to conduct an investigation. And that means simply figuring out what happened at the very outset of the case. Next, the defendant is going to respond to the complaint. Next, the parties will gather evidence in support of either their claims or their defenses. That process is called discovery. Next, each side is given a chance to try to convince the court that there is no need for a trial, meaning that the plaintiff is arguing to the court that certain facts are not in dispute and the plaintiff wins, so no need for a trial. And then, of course, the defendant, the reverse of that there's no need for a trial because the plaintiff cannot win. Next, if that motion is denied, there will be a trial. If the plaintiff is successful in obtaining a money judgment, the next step would be for the plaintiff to start another proceeding and enforce that judgment. And the final stage of really any U.S. litigation is the appeal stage. So we hope this simple presentation of what we believe every U.S. litigation has will be helpful to you. Please do not hesitate to contact us at 312-283-8330 if you have any questions. Hope you enjoy it.